Just a quick one here on a Sunday. It's May the 10th. It's Mother's Day also in most Western places in the world. So if you still have that ability, don't forget to give her a call or do something nice in case you forgot. So Bitcoin is at $80,800 and we are still here red. Okay, this is on the central command trading terminal. You see, very simple. When it's blue and we got this bottom, after we flipped the EMA ribbon, we got a massive $20,000 move to the upside in Bitcoin. This is a 4-hourly chart. We are now building here in the red for a similar length of time. It's getting to that point. It does take time to top. We are still here in the red. The moment we lose the EMA ribbon, which is just above 78,000, if we drop back below 78,000, we probably get the same move as we got here to the upside, to the downside, and that would take us back to 65,000, maybe 60,000, maybe even lower than that. And that is what I'm personally looking for multiple reasons. I actually broke this down in the previous video. Now what we also have over here, if we're looking, we have this perfectly little wedge here on the hourly chart. You can see here, and usually wedges, rising wedges like this, also if you're just into your normal textbook retail TA, rising wedges like this tend to break to the downside. It is a Sunday. It is May the 10th. We also have a huge amount of stuff happening that is worth paying attention to. Number one is the 750 days after the halving pattern, which is something that I've pointed out now 6 days ago. That starts today. 750 days is today, May 10th. So in the previous 3 bear market cycles, the previous 3 4-year cycles, the entire history of Bitcoin basically, prices continue to sell off and accelerate the bear trend 750 days after halving. So we have that. We have this lineup. We have the open interest being the highest that it's been basically since the all-time high top. And we all know Bitcoin went from 126,000 to like 60,000, right? We basically had a 50% drop. Similar levels. There's huge amounts of leverage in the system right now. Then on top of that, we have seen just one player so far, Garrett Jin. He sent almost $1 billion worth of Ethereum to Binance in the last 3 days. Don't know if he sold it yet or not. I'm assuming no. But if that ammo is there on the exchange ready to sell, you combine it with this timing, you combine it with how the charts are looking, this rising wedge. Then we look on central command trading terminal, the 4-hourly over here. If we lose the $78,000 level and we get the EMA ribbon flip, I think we're going back down to 60,000 and maybe even lower, and we get a continuation of the bear trend. I really think it's starting to look like that at this point in time. We are going to find out very soon. I just wanted to make this update that this still looks that way to me. By the way, these overlays here are completely free. The details are down in the description below if you want to get access to the central command trading terminal. And these overlays, you can see they're just like one-click overlays. There's a lot more to it. Very cool stuff. We make it 100% free. Details in the description down below. So I think it's going to be very interesting here what happens. I think we find out very, very quickly. We're obviously also in the month of May, where the saying comes from, sell in May and go away. Also May 2022, the last bear. May 2018, the bear before that, were both red. So if we end below 77,000 this month, we also end up in the red, and that's not that hard to do. That's like $4,000 move to the downside. That can happen literally in a day if it does all choose to sell off. So I am leaning towards the downside. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? Do you think we're going lower? And we find out very soon.